Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover ZkApes, and you can get free tokens doing a simple stuff if you have been participating in Zksync in any of the different ways. So in today's video we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get your free tokens. This is not a scam, this is actually what it seems a serious project on the metaverse for Apeverse. And the token is going to be listed very soon. And the tokens that you are going to get from this video, you actually can go and trade it. Right now are in this exchange of Zksync Izumi Finance. So you are going to be able to claim these tokens for free and sell it if you want. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, ZkApes is a metaverse project built on Zksync era mainnet and was called Apeverse. Apeverse aims to bring people together from all around the world for entertainment, education, interaction and expression. Apeverse is developing a whole metaverse ecosystem based on Apes NFTs, the NFTs, and you can exchange your NFT, AMM, play games and make money in Apeverse. ZkApes launched the token and airdrop to all Zksync Lite and Zksync Era users. If you have ever used the layer 2, you may be qualified. So we are going to explain how to get those tokens. And if you are a follower of this channel, of course you are going to get these free tokens because I have been covering Zksync, you can see here already from October 2022. The first time that I did a video of Zksync was October 17, and you can see when the time passes how many times I already covered Zksync and updated the airdrop. So if you didn't do yet the Zksync airdrop, go to this link. Zksync Airdrop full guide is going to be in the post, and you have everything that you need to do for the Zksync airdrop there. But if you already have been transacting and doing my videos, you are going to get a really nice amount of these free tokens. The website of the project is ZkApes, and you can see the Apeverse. You can connect to all apes in one metaverse. They are not only getting these NFTs, you also have an ape privacy wallet. You are going to have here the apes domain and many other stuff that you can check just clicking on launch the app. And here you can see that you can get a pool, you can stake, you have the NFTs, you can see the B-ape and create NFTs. So they have already here many products. So this is an ongoing project. It's not 100% new because like you can see here on the Twitter account, they have 137,000 followers, and they joined here with this account on December 2021. But they just launched this airdrop, so many people is taking advantage of that and claiming these free airdrops that we are going to do right now. And just before going to that step by step, let me talk a little bit about the tokenomics. You can see there's 70 trillion, which are for the airdrop users of ZkApes, Zksync users. They have 10 trillions, which is a 10% for team and future team plus advisors. ZkApes investors, another 10%. ZkApes DAO governance and marketing, they have 5% each. So the total amount is 100 trillion tokens for this. You can think it about like a meme coin. It could be considered that way. But here on the Apeverse you can see all the projects and things that they are developing, in process or already launched. So they are actually creating a big ecosystem. So why I'm doing all this intro is because we have this airdrop, the token is called ZAT, and the majority of this is going to be a community owned because the 70% is going to be distributed for all these ZkApes airdrops starting on May 10. So that is why we are covering this. Down here you can see all the different qualification actions. I am not going to go one by one, but you can see some of them are related to the Apeverse and others to Zkylink Mainnet, Zksync Era Mainnet and Timebell. And here you can see how they are converting the points regarding the tokens for your airdrop entitlement. So everything is explained here, and after seeing this introduction and after seeing these many projects that they are developing, my take on this is get these tokens, don't sell them, and maybe in the next bull run this could worth something. And why I say that, guys, is because we go directly on how to claim these tokens, but the value of the tokens right now is really low. So actually it could cost you more the transaction fee than the tokens that you are going to get. So it's not really a good idea from my perspective to think on getting any profit right now. So if I was you, I will just claim these tokens and hold them for now. You probably are going to be able to stake them and just stake them and leave it there until the next bull run. So in order to get the tokens, we go to the step by step, which is the first one is you need to connect to Zksync Airdrop Mainnet. If you already have been doing my videos, like I say, you know what to do. If not, you go to chainlist.org. So you go to this website and here you can search for Zksync. And you connect here and add to your MetaMask Zksync Airdrop Mainnet. In my case, I am already there. So once you are already connected with your wallet there, you go to the website, which is airdrop.zkApes.io. And the website looks really crappy, but I would say I already did this with many wallets. There's not really a risk here. This is what it looks like, a serious project. So anyways, I do my own research and I think I can trust on getting my tokens. But of course, always do your own research besides whatever I can say in this video. So now what you need to do is connect your wallet here, connect your MetaMask. And after connecting, you can see, for example, on this account, you can see that I am eligible for the airdrop. 41 million, almost 42 million. Depending on the amount of transactions and on all the eligible actions, you could have this amount or even much more with some of my wallets. Because I am doing the Zksync airdrop with 12 wallets, I actually have a very big amount of these ZkApe tokens. But again, I am not really selling because for my perspective, it doesn't make any sense. So actually, I am paying more than transaction fees than in tokens that I receive. So I will just click the button for claim in this case. I will pay the gas fee, which is $1.20. And you're going to see this, that your ZAT airdrop tokens are already sent to your wallet. So in this case, almost 42 million. Like I say, depending on your actions, you're going to get more or less. And after you claim that, if you want, you can sell it here on the step 3. You go to this website, which is one of the exchange that you can list it. So basically go here. You need to be connected with Zksync Airdrop, of course. And let's say that I want to put here the token. So I will copy the contract from the CoinGecko link. And the contract, you can check it here on the step 4, which is the token contract address. So you can take it, the contract here. And instead of Ethereum, I will paste the contract. So going to delete all this last part. And you can see you have here SAT tokens. And these 42 million tokens, guys, it's worth right now $8. So it's actually not much. That is why I say I already pay $1.20 just for claim the transaction, and selling for $8 and doing just $6.50 doesn't make any sense. So my recommendation is to just hold them and stake them. And also with the contract address, guys, you are going to be able to go to your wallet, because if not, you are not going to see your asset here. So you go down here, you click import, you paste the address, and you can add your custom and import your custom tokens. Now you can see that I have my SAT tokens there. So I will stake them after. So guys, that is basically how to claim these tokens. If you are not sure if you did transactions or not, you just connect to the Zksync Airdrop Mainnet, go there and just connect to the website and see if you can claim anything there. Then here on the step 5, I put the link to the website so you can check the project. Step 6, I put the Twitter account if you want to follow them. And the step 7, I just put the documentation for the airdrop in case that you want to really understand if you are eligible or not for here. I put the link to this document. And guys, I want to say thank you to my Discord community, because I didn't know about this claim airdrop for Zksync. Some people commented that in my Discord, so thank you. My Discord is killing it, guys. There's a ton of good information there. For example, these free tokens to claim on ZkApes. I wasn't aware of this, so that is why Having so many people that knows a lot about this and is researching airdrops all the time like myself makes my Discord one of the biggest and important tools that you can have as an airdrop hunter, because we have channels for airdrop distribution so you don't miss any of those. New airdrops, crypto airdrops. We have the main channels for the main projects right now. So we have a specific channel for Zksync, Layer 0, Linea, Vechain, Airdrop, and many other of the big airdrops. You are going to find everything there. And guys, this is not going to be possible without my application. If you are using multiple wallets, you need to use my application. It's going to save you a ton of time and you are going to be able to apply easily and have everything organized. I'm not going to sell you anything here. You have here 2 videos on how my app works, and more updates are coming right now. I am doing some refactor of the code right now, so that is why I am a little delay on my new updates, but there are going to be some launches, some more functionalities launched soon on the application. And guys, I'm going to increase the prices very soon, because my idea is not to make my Discord for thousands and thousands of people, just to make it a VIP and elite exclusive Discord for only really airdrop hunter people that want to do that. So don't waste any time, subscribe to my subscriptions on my Discord and my app. Well guys, that will be all for this video. ZkApes, get the free tokens. This is on the Zksync ecosystem. Very easy and quickly, directly to the point. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at CryptoZstate. Many things I only posted on Twitter. You will not going to find it in Discord or even in my YouTube channel. So go to CryptoZstate and subscribe there. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.